So let's put all the leaves in first. So you can do the yellow and then the green, or go a little back and forth. And I'm going to do a little back and forth. We're going to use one of my favorite brushes, which is the little tiny Filbert. It's rounded on the end, for the ones that have the black brush line before we upgraded the handles and the bristles. This is the black one. We use this so often. I love it so much. We use it for little tiny leaves and flowers, but also for highlighting and low lighting, and it's just a fabulous tool. Okay, so first let's put in some yellow. All right. So I wet the brush, wipe it off my paint towel. I get my yellow and my white, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, let me find one of my stems. I'm going to go on the end, and I need some white on there. You want white on the tip and then tap it off, okay? You can pull this in from the sides like this. You can just have like one here and there, but you don't even, you know, sometimes have to, you'll be able to see it better right here. So say I'm going to do one here. You don't even have to have it coming off the stem, but it's press and pull off, you know. So really, really simple to do. Say I have a, you know, a couple little pieces in through here. You can have just a touch of it. Just a very simple way to add a little bit more dimension and color to your painting. I didn't like that shape there. So if you don't like something, watch. I'm going to show you. This is why there's no stress. Look, it's gone. Okay, so, and what I'm going to do next is I'm going to get my green with a little bit of white. I'm going to do the same. Kind of like tap it together, and I'm going to start making, you know, some leaves with this one. They can overlap what you just did. You can make some a little bigger like that. You can make some that are teeny tiny, you know. I'm going to put one like laying across down at the bottom down here, maybe, since I put a couple of those stems down there. I can make like, I might have a little one like laying here, okay, towards the bottom. And then I might want to put a little bit more greenery down here if I do that. A little bit more green, like greenery. So it's not out there all by itself. Okay. And say I'm going to have the end of that right there. Okay. I feel like that little one needs a little bit of white on it. It needs a little something. Okay. And then maybe I have another piece of a leaf right in through there. So just depending on your pressure is what you know, you can make all kinds of leaves with these. So fun to mess with. So I might pull like another set here. Like I said, I don't always follow like how I have the stems. All right, and lean back and see how you like that. We are going to put our daisies in here still as well, okay? And a couple little white flecks of flowers, but I think I'm happy with this so far. I might, on this side, I might put a little bit of a white highlight on these leaves up here, just so it's not so dark up there.